SQL, or Structured Query Language, is a programming language that is used for managing and manipulating data stored in relational databases. It was first introduced in the 1970s and has since become one of the most widely used database management systems. SQL is designed to organize data into tables and then use specific commands to interact with the data stored in those tables. This makes it an extremely versatile tool for data analysis and management, as well as for application development. SQL is a standard language, which means that its basic syntax and structure remain consistent across different variations of the language. One of the key advantages of SQL is its simplicity. Unlike many other programming languages, SQL is designed to be easy to learn and use, even for those with limited programming experience. This simplicity is why it is often the first programming language taught in computer science courses. SQL is also highly scalable and performs well even with large amounts of data. It is a declarative language, meaning that you describe what you want to do with your data, and SQL takes care of the rest. This allows you to focus on the data you want to manage, without worrying about the underlying mechanics of how it is managed. SQL is not just a single language, but a family of related languages that are used for different purposes. For example, SQL Server, a relational database management system, uses a variation of SQL called T-SQL, while the popular open-source database management system mysql uses a different variation called mysql SQL. In conclusion, SQL is a powerful and versatile programming language that is used for managing data in relational databases. It is easy to learn and use, and offers a high degree of performance and scalability. Whether you are a data analyst, a software developer, or simply someone who needs to manage data, learning SQL is an investment that will pay off in the long run. So why not start learning SQL today and see what it can do for you? So there you have it, folks. SQL is the language that knows how to have a good time and get the job done when it comes to managing data. It's easy to learn, versatile, and scalable, making it the perfect tool for data analysts, software developers, and anyone looking to get their hands dirty with data management. So don't be a party pooper, join the fun and learn SQL today. Your data will thank you.